it's been a while. Please don't hate me. I did do a short in the meantime. Go watch that one, by the way. I've been so busy painting and working 2 jobs, and I'm trying to be consistent with YouTube because I also love YouTube and makeup and my skincare and all this other stuff, you know what I'm saying? So today we're going to be talking about sunscreen and why sunscreen is freaking important, okay? The sun's rays are gonna give you some cancer and wrinkles, and you don't want that. So we are going to test out the SuperGoop sunscreen. I have been using this already for like a week or so. I really like this sunscreen mainly because it does not smell like actual cheap CVS, Walgreens, Walmart sunscreen. It's like very lightweight. It's very misty. It's really good stuff. And you can buy this little kit at Ulta. Though we're about to try a couple of the face things. I'll show you how the mist sprays, and I'll show you the lip balm as well. So let's get right into it. If you spend over $30 in sunscreen at Ulta, you also get this cute little watermelon fanny pack. Oh, and also it comes with cute little koozie. So summery, so cute. And I know I look gross, a sweaty mess right now. I just got back from work. I did buy another plant, so BRB. I just had to because, I mean, look at it. It's a Swiss cheese plant, right? And then look how beautiful it is, though. This was the only one there that I felt like was the prettiest. You know what I mean? Beautiful plants. And I only got it for $3, so, you know, benefits of working at a garden center. First, we are trying the Every Single Face Watery Lotion, SPF 50. So 50 is a lot in sunscreen, so that's good. And it says, helps protect skin from a full spectrum of aggressors: UVA, UVB, blue light, IRA, and pollution. Invisible on all skin tones, this universal SPF refreshes skin with a lightweight finish. They aren't lying. Super cute, right? And it says on the back, clean chemical sunscreen, actives, dermatologist tested, non-irritating, real safe, no synthetic fragrance, vegan. So it looks like regular sunscreen, but it does not smell like I said, that CVS Walgreens sunscreen. She's glowing. She's glowing. Now, it's really not greasy. It looks like it's greasy on your fingers. It looks shiny and everything, but it's not greasy at all. Next is the SuperGoop Play SPF 50. So, and this has vitamin C as well. Antioxidant body mist. This is really nice. I love this stuff. It's so lightweight and it does not smell. Misty. Next is the Everyday Lotion SPF 50 with sunflower extract. That's nice. Ooh. So this one's just a lotion. Doesn't smell like sunscreen. Smells like flower extract. Sunflower extract. And the last thing is the lip balm. It has SPF 30, lip shield, and it's coconut flavored. So I am all sunscreened up, y'all. So this stuff is really great, amazing. I recommend you buy it. Please go test it for yourself. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Turn on those post notifications so that every time I post, you get a dang 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 and you know I posted, baby. I'll see you in my next video. Stay cute, stay you, and stay beautiful, and stay covered.